Okay, this is my Venmo card, and I really enjoy having a Venmo card because I use Venmo a lot, and I think this card, I gotta check, but I think it's like a Cash App card where you can turn it on and off when you want to. So I like that feature a lot. Whenever I just am moving too fast and I think I might lose my card traveling or something, just turn it off and then just not have to deal with that worry. So that's cool. It's a cool feature to have. I use Venmo a lot with my paired with the mobile app. I use all of my cards with mobile apps, so that's a really good feature. Anytime, just like my PayPal business card, anytime I get money into my Venmo card or to my Venmo account, it goes straight to my card. And I'll show you the back, cover my name. So there's the bag. It's blue, it's plastic, it's durable. It has the chip feature, so whenever you're shopping at CVS or Walgreens or the supermarket, you could just put the chip in. Very modern, up to date, and there's no numbers on the front, so I don't even gotta hide that from you guys. It's a Mastercard, so it's accepted everywhere, not the American Express, but Mastercard is accepted everywhere, like Visa. And I really like using this debit card because it's very convenient. As soon as I get any payments to my Venmo account or whenever I want to transfer anything, I can just automatically have it available. But I can't reload it. Like, I can't put cash into it. I have taken money out at the ATM though, so that's one good thing. But reloading it is not a thing. Like, it's solely based. Let me just put it down for a second so I can touch my computer. But it's solely based on your funds and your Venmo account. So you can't like add money like my PayPal prepaid. You just have to work with what's available in your Venmo account. So there's no like credit line attached or no rates. It's, you just sign up, you know, for your Venmo account through the app, and then you get the card. It cannot be used to rent cars, I'll tell you that now. It's really just like getting money out of your Venmo account, but it's not like for renting or business purchases. Not like my Chase cards. It's not like my PayPal debit card. That one I can use to rent cars. There's no added benefits. You're not getting cash back. You're just getting your money fast. It's not like my Bluebird account. You can't be under the age of 18. You have to be 18 to use Venmo. You have to be 18 to use the Venmo card. But it's a really good card to have that I think a lot of people don't know exists. You know, they just started using this. A lot of people don't even know that Cash App has a card. I really like cards like this where you can turn it on and off and just use it and access your funds quicker instead of waiting 1 to 3 business days for it to go to your bank account. I'm all for these kind of cards. I like the design, very simple. I just want to say again, I really love that there's no numbers on the front of the card. So I don't even have to hold my thumb right now or like think too hard about my safety. Venmo card. Yeah, that's it. And customer service, it's very easy to get in touch with Venmo. They are on top of things. Like, I've had one issue before where a friend of mine sent me money, sent me $400, and then requested it back, and like they red flagged that they wanted to talk to both of us over several days. Like, they want to get to the bottom of it just because she asked for a refund. But it's just because we had to cancel our trip. So Venmo customer service is on top of their game because PayPal owns Venmo. So yeah, you're gonna get some safety. You know, we know PayPal doesn't play when it comes to safety, when it comes to money. So you are in good hands with Venmo, and you're in good hands with PayPal. I've had this card since October, because when October came, I had a situation where I was just like, I have to get every card on the planet. I'm gonna get a Venmo card, a Cash App card, every card, a Bluebird, and I just wanted to make sure that whenever I have a client who says that they can't pay me because I need to have one sort of, you know, of method, I want to make sure I have all of it. So it's good to have all of these cards so you can be able to, especially if you're an entrepreneur, a business owner, or freelancer, just so you can always be able to accept a lot of different payments and get access to them quickly. So whenever someone pays me through Venmo, I can automatically just go food shopping and take the card out. I don't have to wait, 10 business days for it to transfer to my bank account. So it's really good to have these things. And that is all. All right, Venmo.